Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuru. Today we'll be learning how to hide games on Steam from friends, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your games on Steam from your friends, guys, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam app like this, as I have logged into my Steam account on my computer on the Steam app, guys. After you have logged into your account, guys, on this interface, in order to hide your games which you play on Steam from friends, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is your account name available for us with the drop down arrow available for us. Click on your account name with the drop down arrow, and when this drop down menu appears, click on the view my profile option, and you land on this interface where you can see there is the edit profile option available for us over here just above the current online. Over here, click on the edit profile where I'm hovering, and you land on this interface. Now you can see the privacy settings option available for us at the bottom of the list, guys, just above the Steam points up. Click on the privacy settings, and when you land on this interface, guys, you can see here it says the game details, and this also says this category includes the list of all games on your Steam account, the games you wishlisted, your achievements, and your playtime. This setting also controls whether you're seen as in-game and the title of the game you are playing. So guys, in order to hide your games on your Steam from your friends, make sure the game details option available is made to private like I have, and not the public or the friends only. With that being done, guys, all of your games on your Steam account will be hidden from your friends. And guys, this is how to hide your games on Steam from your friends. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.